I bought an 80-year-old lady's lifetime collection of craft supplies and we're opening bin number 55. This is going to be a very dangerous bin, not just because it's full of glitter that's going to get everywhere, but because I'm going to be tempted to keep all of it. No, I promise I'll share. I promise I'll share. But come on, look at these colors. This one is marked blue and green glitter, again with the labeling always on point. I'm seriously gonna have to make a pile. One for me, one for the store. Two for me, one for the store. Oh, no, you know what? I have a lot, but I need a couple more, just a couple. All right. Like this. Oh my gosh, it's like a periwinkle color. Oh, it's so sparkly. Oh, I love it. And this, oh my gosh, these are flakes. I've been talking about this like fairy tale journal I've been working on, and I literally need these. I need them. Okay, this is gonna be my basket, and I don't feel guilty because we get so much glitter as is already. Such beautiful colors. Oh my gosh, like the blues and the greens and the pinks are definitely some of my favorites. There's dark blue, light blue, turquoise. Oh, that's really pretty. Some of these are really expensive, like the Martha Stewart ones, and I'll be nice and let you guys have the stars because I have a ton. Oop! I thought those were a touch. I have a ton of star glitter already. It's okay. They didn't spill. Oh my gosh, this one looks like sprinkles. I might need that one. Like a very traditional Christmas green. Some peridot glitter. Ooh, that's a really nice green too. That one's by Recollections, as is this. Wow, that's like a black. Got little shiny elements to it, so it's not like a matte black. Oh my gosh, that one is so cute as well. Oh wait, this looks like the color. Oh man, one's more green and one's more blue. I need them both, right? Oh, I'm already covered in glitter. Ooh, this is blue topaz. I feel like the fairy, like the glitter fairy I'm sprinkling everywhere. It's just so light and shimmery and beautiful. Oh my gosh, this one just has like an element of purple, like a very light lilac. This one, oh my gosh, look how pretty those two are. I don't even know if the camera does these justice, but oh my gosh, stunning colors. Oh, it's called glass glitter. That's why it looks like little shards. Oh, see, there's two of those. So I get one and the store gets one. I think I need these. So one is called Diamond Pastel and the other is Lavender Ultra Fine. Yeah, those are going to be perfect for my fairy cards and my fairy journals. Wow. Got a ton more Martha Stewart, including more of those adorable stars. Another really fine one. It's called Blue Sapphire. My gosh, I wish the camera could do these even just like a bit of justice because they are stunning. Oh, this is by Art Glitter. It's called Love Potion. It's like a light purple. Some more turquoise colors here. This is like a whole bag. It's like a, I don't know, what would you call this? I guess like a turquoise, definitely more on the green side though. Oh, and this one has little beads in it. It's called Gala Glitz Blue Caution Sharp Glass. I need that one too. Lighter greens here, even more stars. Oh, I didn't know Tim Holtz did glitter. This one is called Distress Glitter in Faded Jean. Beautiful emerald green, a gold stuck in there. Ooh, that's a really pretty dark blue. Another nice dark green. Wow, more dark blue. This one is called Canadian Blue. Rainforest. Oh, these are both called Summer Sea. I guess I need one and the store needs one. You guessed it. A couple more tubes here. Ooh, that's a really light green. As well as that one. And some more blues. Okay, now we're in trouble because this is the pink box. Pink and purple. You thought we were in trouble before? Just wait. Oh my gosh, look at that pastel bubblegum pink. And this one, that's really cute too. I have a red. Here, I'll try to pull out some of the similar colors so we're not just sitting here naming colors. Another Distress by Tim Holtz called Fired Brick. Red, red, red. I'm still just calling out colors. This one's messy. There's literally glitter all over spilled. Wow. Here are some of the purple. Creating a nice lilac. Oh my gosh, that one's like in a little fairy jar. And a Martha Stewart. These are more like a pinkish purple. Ooh, this looks like the same brand as the other one. It just says glitter on it, but I really like that one. Oh, it's a metallic fuchsia. Yeah, it's the same brand. What are these? GlitterX Corp? Yeah, these are the ones I took earlier, so that's gonna join the pile. Ooh, another lilac, more lilac, another little fairy bottle, couple of silvers, lots of repeats. And then some of these like softer pinks and salmons. Sorry, salmon. I always put the L in salmon and I get yelled at every single time. But you know what? I'm sticking with it. Salmon. Oh my gosh, there's like these beautiful coppers as well. That one's more like an orange. Oh, and a pretty yellow. A couple more yellows here. Little itty bitty ones. And that one's really pretty. And these are all from the Art Glitter brand, which obviously is one of the nicer ones. A couple more here as well. Oh, and another 10 holds. Ooh, that one's called Vintage Photo. Oh, I love that. Super soft pink. And some hot pinks. Okay, so obviously we had a spillage. It looks like this is the culprit, so I will try to get some of that back in there. It's a really good thing glitter doesn't bother me because I know some people would be panicking right now. Okay, so the only problem with doing it this way is there's a few other colors that got mixed in, but honestly, I'd rather not waste it. So if you end up buying, ow, this one, I don't even think you can see what I'm doing. You're gonna get black and silver in there as well. It's all over. It's all over. It's everywhere. I'm officially covered in glitter. There's even some of the giant pins. Oh my gosh, I literally almost have it full again. Look at that. It's full. I swear, my job is just crazy sometimes. Oh, now that got all over my keyboard. That was a dumb idea. Actually, it kind of adds to the ambiance. I'm gonna put a picture here in editing. You know, I can't say I hate it. And next we have the white and metallics and a little turquoise that's stuck in. Gold, gold sprinkles. Ooh, really fine gold. Gold, gold, gold stars, really shimmery gold, and all of these. Then we have the silvers. That one's in a salt shaker. We've definitely seen that before from this collection. More silver. Ooh, a rainbow snuck in. Oh, some more flakes. And all those pretty ones are white. Okay, these next ones aren't glitter, but they are glitter elements. I love those paper flowers. I have pretty much monopolized most of the paper flowers that come through the store, but I use them for all of my greeting cards. There is some really pretty, I don't know what you would even call these. Oh my gosh, I love these too, though. I think those would look great in my fairy journal. I think I'm having a glitter high. I'm really sorry. But you know what? Glitter makes me happy. What can I say? Look at these pretty snowflakes. No freaking way. Oh my gosh. I love mermaids, and that has to be one of the prettiest mermaids I've ever seen. She is an ornament. This is going to be one of those mementos I keep to always remember this collection. And of course, the wonderful lady who bestowed it upon me. We've got some wooden elements here, including snowflakes. I think this whole thing is kind of Christmas themed. Yeah, it says Christmas elements and Putz Decor, P-U-T-Z. There's some rhinestones that say believe. Some cute little foam trees. Snowflakes. Oh, these stickers are cute. There's little lights and stockings. Oh my gosh, bingo tiles. How fun is that? And just lots more little Christmas paper elements. Oh, those are birdies. Star garland and glitter star cutouts. Glitter letters. Ooh, more rhinestones. Some garland. Ooh, paper ribbon. Wait, that would be really nice in my journals too. Oh my gosh, more crystals. Oh, look at the little gingerbread men. Pearls. Some glitter string. More stars. And a ton more snowflakes. Oh, those rhinestones are pretty too. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have gone through these. I need to make someone else do this because I want everything. I want it all. I'm literally sweating and covered in glitter. I need to clean myself up. I'm like not even kidding. I'm covered in sweat and glitter. All right, we got the fan going now. And this one is more Christmas elements. I don't think this one has a label, but there are some cute gingerbread stickers. Adorable. Oh my gosh, these cutout elements are so cute. I'm almost thinking she might have colored them herself. I know she likes to color, and you could tell from like the marker streaks and stuff on the back that they are definitely handmade. Oh my gosh, look at the little gnomes. Ton more here, including more snowmen. Oh, some little paper ornaments. That's really cute. Little penguins. Are those penguins? The reindeer, gingerbread men, and a nutcracker. Some pretty snowflake stickers with glitter on them. That seems to be the theme today. Oh, look at those cute little gnomes. You know, I'm not even a fan of gnomes, but man, sometimes they're just adorable. Those are beautiful. They're like lanterns, I think, and then little Christmas bulb lights. Oh my gosh, and the cutest reindeer. You know, seeing all of these just really gives a glimpse into the type of stuff that she was making. You can see how a lot of the paper and dyes and paper punches all kind of come together. Even if these aren't all handmade, I definitely can tell she made some of them. Those are pine cones and trees. These make really good scrap packs, or just, you know, being sold as ephemera. That's kind of hard to see, but there's little houses in there. Religious, they look like windows? I don't know. Oh my gosh, more little paper house cutouts. Oh, these wood houses, cute, cute, cute. Oh, and then she colored those little houses. I keep seeing glitter out of the corner of my eye. It's in my hair. It's still on my hand. You can't get it off. It's like embedded in my skin now. There are some flowers, some Christmas cutouts, some tags, and the word joy. Tons more snowflakes. Aw, sleeping doggy. And some birdies. Oh, these are, oh gosh, I already forgot what these are called. Those cutouts that, they're from Germany. I have a whole collection of these. I'm not really interested in the Christmas ones though, but I love, love, love these. And here are some more elements that looks like she painted them or colored them. That one looks like colored pencil. Oh my gosh, these cute little snowmen. There's a ton of those. And some, oh, you know what? We found a lot of the stamps that she had like the outlines of, and then she had on the label that said to color. So you can see now how wonderful these are. She was very talented at coloring. Get a little closer so you can see these, because wow, mine, I mean, I can barely even stay in the lines. Beautiful little pieces of art. I definitely need to keep a few of these just so that I have some mementos. Oh yeah, you can see those. See that she would like stamp the outlines and then color them in. There's a little gingerbread house and another cute little Christmas house. Okay, this one says doilies and lace. Lots of paper doilies. I actually know a customer who might be interested in a few of these. Hopefully she's watching. It's definitely quite a collection. Love the hearts. Oh my gosh, look how intricate those are. There's some big doilies as well. And Bob, Bob, what you working on today? Trying to steal all the lace and doilies I see? I mean, your head looks like a doily. His head just, it fits in everywhere. I don't know what to say. It looks like a flower. It looks like a snowflake. It looks like a doily. Oh, so this lace has been made into cute little fans. There's some unused lace in here as well. A lace doily. And some more paper ones. And these large paper doilies. Very pretty. Oh, these are by Stampin' Up. Oh, and these we've seen before, the rosettes, but this is quite a larger collection. I can't remember if we established that she made these or bought them like this or not, but I'm still thinking she made them because I could tell a little bit from the glue on the back. That one's Dr. Seuss. There's some red, white, and blue ones. These are great to just like hang and make banners, or literally use just for decoration on anything, on signage and journals, mixed media canvases, ton of beautiful colors and patterns. So that'll do it for bin number 55. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.